Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a while. I've just been busy and stuff. Don't mind if I take a bite of this. So they're the active. I got the 12 pack that has mixed berries and the cherry blackberry or whatever. So I don't know if you guys know, but on my other channels, I'm gonna start. I had this. Some of the slime I'm about ready to show you and in here. So there's a bigger container, much different. Oh, that's dried up slime. Yeah, that's definitely dried. There's a lot of dried up slime. So, I put it in a new container. It's really nice. It pokes really. It's okay. So I want you to hear that. Ow. Hear the satisfaction. Make sure you guys can see. Okay, it's a tongue clicker, but it might get a little dried up because I think I saw one. Okay, I figured out a way to make it more clicky. So I have my necklace box, and I'm gonna switch out and see if that will work. I have a bunch of necklaces. Okay, so see if it'll fit in this container. So first, we gotta see if it'll fit in the tent. Oh, that lid just fell in there. Okay, it fits quite perfectly. Just gotta get my hand in there. So, okay, it's okay. Alright, so we're gonna leave this in here for a while, for a little bit. I do have another slime to show you. It's a very glitter one, and this is part of the other. It's still wet. Oh my god. So, I don't know if you saw my other channels that I did. I don't remember if I did the glitter one, but I updated it. I made it more stretchy. Yeah, it's still very glittery, but oh, some of that blue slime got in there. I made it pokier because it wouldn't really poke. Okay, we'll just leave that alone. So what I'm gonna start doing on my candle is like do my day in life and stuff, which I need to go check my phone. Yep, it's definitely. So like my friend wasn't at school, so I have her phone number. Focus. The one time focus. So that's my friend. And we'll say you at school. So I texted, hey, why were you not at school today? And plus, she missed a really cool thing. So Miss Summer brought in her new puppy, and it's a girl, and her name is Milo. I don't really know how to say it, but it's a girl. And what she did is when she came to people is when she came to me, she got on me and she licked right here and I'm like, hi. She's just the great dog ever. I want her. I'm telling you, I want a dog. But I am getting a husky. It may not look like a husky, but it is a husky. And I'm naming her Mila. Mila. And how do you spell that? Just use it back up. This random piece of paper. So Mila. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. So you spell Mila. Mila. So this is how you spell it. M-E-L-L-A. Mila. Mila is just gonna be such the cutest husky. She's named a husky, but she's not. She's the same breed, but she doesn't really look. Here she comes. So I'm gonna turn the camera off so I can meet her, and then I already have one dog, Bailey. Bailey's right there. I don't know. I'm getting 2 huskies. But I think we're gonna name one Bailey. Okay guys, I'm actually, so we could only afford one, and Bailey I don't want to do unless I can get another dog. So the husky, I thought I was getting 2 huskies, but I actually am getting 1 husky and a cat, I think. I remember it being 2 dogs, but I think he didn't have enough money. I don't know, who knows. So I'm gonna show you when the cat arrives. So the cat is gonna be walking. So I'm gonna actually name the cat Bailey, I think. I don't know. So we're actually not getting a cat. Bailey is right there. So I originally had Bailey. I just haven't shown you guys. Okay, this is really okay. The cat is right. So I put the cat over by, or not cat. The husky. Where am I? There it is. Okay, so Bailey, I'm gonna put like new dog / pup and kind of new dog. Okay, and then the husky is named Mila. And she is. Oh my god, she's like adorable. Look at her. Look at her. So this is my husky. I'm gonna bring her into my classroom. She's kind of shy. She's a little jumpy. But yeah, she's super sweet. She doesn't have any claws yet. So she's growing teeth and for some reason whiskers. That would be a great name for a cat. Oh, there's no whiskers. They said to cut these whiskers off. I don't know why she grew them. So this is my husky. I'm definitely. Oh, does she already? She already does. I just am going to find a leash. That's one. So I could put this on my phone. I'm going to bring her in. It's on my keys. Okay, well, I'll just have to get it from my keys and buy another thing for my keys, because that's okay. But this is Mila. Say hi, Mila. Say hi. She's shy. Okay, well, and we got her own carrier. I know it may look like a big carrier, but we found it on Amazon for $2. Okay, and I can't find where my one dog bed or, yeah, my dog bed went. I can't even find it. So this will have to do. This is what we take her in for car rides. We'll lay a blanket down, so she likes to be in it a lot. So she's gonna try taking a nap. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a like if you like huskies or if you just like this video. But yeah, comment down below. So like I have another case of this. Because I bought 2 at the dollar store. So they're intentionally supposed to fit your phone. And I'm gonna switch back to my flip case soon. So I might go back to this. I'm not gonna go to this. But I might go back to this after I decide. I'll show you my flip case real quick. That was my other case. Okay, so my old case, guys, if I want to show you. I forgot which one. How did I put it in? I'm sure I'll find it. So this would be better if this was on my phone. It would be easier. Or maybe was I putting it on? I can't get it in. Oh, I got it in one side. Okay. And it had a pop socket. Why can't I get this in? The struggle is real, guys. Ah, got it. I think. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is what it would look like, and it would have a pop socket. But no more of that. See my flip case or this. Or this. Either one. And I can't find my flip case. Oops. We should be all good. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just give me a like and turn on post notifications if you have not already. Bye! I forgot I'm going to start doing air hugs to everybody watching this video. Bye!